Hi, it's your Houston Chiropractor, Dr. Wendt, coming to you along with
Greg Johnson, also your Houston Chiropractor.
So Dr. Johnson and I are going to be training out some ring dinger adjustments today. We just got back into the office here this week from a great Chiro Texpo event up in Dallas this past weekend. So we got all of our continuing education hours in for our license. Learned some great information from Dr. Robert Monaco on science communication, or the communication, science behind the communication with patients. And then we also got our board hours and everything else in. So we're needing
continuing
a little bit of
education.
Yes, sir. So we're needing some decompression.
Now I need a ring dinger.
Amen. It's not like the seminars in here where we're something active all day long.
No.
We're sitting
Too
behind
much
chairs
sitting.
and stuff. Yeah. And a little bit of fast driving, I saw, huh?
Yeah.
Crank it up a bit.
Yeah. On the way up there. This car's got a mind of its own. It's going real fast. He goes, "What are you doing, Hot Wheels?"
There we go. A lot of patients like to complain about the tightness of the pins there, but Dr. Johnson and I actually like it being tighter because we know it's going to facilitate a better adjustment here.
Yep.
All right, big breath in for me.
Oh man, that's so good. Oh God, I love that.
I'm ready to get mine now too.
Did you go ahead and nail for me, Tuesday?
I'm gonna let that wet piece get down first, then I'll help you up.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Ready for my tune-up adjustment.
Fit as fiddle.
See, we're in here practicing what we preach.
Yep. Once or twice a week.
Patients are always asking us how often we get these things done.
Not because we're in pain, but just to stay healthy.
That's what I emphasize to them as well. A lot of times my body tells me I need these things before I'm even in pain.
Right,
I can
that's
just
right.
feel some stiffness or
Feel
some
discombobulated, huh?
Absolutely. And patients report that too. A lot of
Yep.
times come in, they feel compressed.
They also complain a lot of brain fog when that's going on.
I had some brain fog after this weekend, so this will clear right up.
Yes, sir.
Home run.
Yep. That's it.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
Signing off for him for today.
Well, I consider that my birthday adjustment for
Amen.
this weekend.
Yes, sir. Happy early birthday, huh?
Oh yeah. 66 on Sunday.
It's still kicking, huh?
Yeah, still kicking. Yeah. If you don't mind shooting me, that'd be great.
I can't do that straight without glasses on here. We'll go. Dr. Johnson knows his homework. It's the easiest patient I got all day.
Yeah.
There we go.
Let's go ahead and do these guys too, see if that helps that rib.
So that sitting in forward flexion this weekend had a rib exacerbate on Dr. Johnson. I feel it.
It's right at that costovertebral joint.
Try to get right over that.
Yep. That's good. Yeah, that's perfect.
Nice and tuned up after that, Dr. J?
I feel great.
Good.
So can you. Get your ring dinger soon.
And I was about to say the same thing. This is your Houston Chiropractor, Dr. Wendt, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. With
And your other seminars, Houston Chiropractor, Greg Johnson. We'll see y'all soon.